Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Friday, November 28th, 2025. Today, we cover market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. This comprehensive update provides a snapshot of the day's highlights across various financial domains. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes surged today. The S&P 500 index closed at 6,848.48, rising 35.88 points, indicating a strong positive trend with 5 consecutive days of gains. The Dow 30 index showed a very strong upward momentum, ending at 47,716.43, gaining 289.30 points also for 5 days straight. In market breadth, the S&P 500 experienced 367 advances against 126 declines. Similar trends were observed across the indexes, with the Nasdaq Composite boasting 1,884 advances versus 1,124 declines, showcasing widespread positive movement. The Dow 30 also reflected strong daily advances. Throughout the week, the Russell 2000 demonstrated impressive resilience with a 5.52% total return, leading the indexes. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite posted a week-to-date gain of 4.91%, reflecting a robust bull run. The S&P 400 midcap also enjoyed strong weekly gains. Communication services closed at an all-time high of 477.18, surging 5.1%. This upward spike marks its highest close, driven by strong market sentiment. Meanwhile, the energy sector broke out of its sideways consolidation, rising to 686.62 with a 1.3% increase, highlighting significant investor interest. Despite a broad rally, the healthcare sector dipped, closing down at 1,833.51, marking a 2-day decline. Real estate saw upward momentum with slight volatility, closing at 262.33. The technology sector closed up at 5,700.39, continuing positive trends despite mixed daily movements. Globally, the Taiwan iShares ETF advanced to 64.51, showing a strong trend with 5 consecutive days of gains. Ireland iShares ETF hit a record close at 72.75, continuing its very strong positive trend amid upward volatility, reflecting robust investor interest. Reporting notable returns, Israel iShares ETF posted a year-to-date total return of 34.67%. Meanwhile, Mexico iShares ETF displayed consistent strength with a 46.58% return YTD. Taiwan continued its strong year, with a 24.63% year-to-date return. In technology darlings, Apple reached a new all-time high, closing at 278.36, marking its 5th consecutive upward day. Alphabet settled lower at 320.12, indicating volatility despite its strong positive trend. Meanwhile, Amazon increased 1.7% with a close at 233.18. Meta Platforms rose 2.2%, closing at 647.95 despite a mixed negative trend. NVIDIA had a 2% drop to 176.51, experiencing a downward breakout after flat trading days.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Today, Bitcoin is experiencing some turbulence, currently trading at 91,158, pointing to a drop of 158. Ethereum dollars the downward trend with a slight increase of 31, although a strong negative trend still dominates. Meanwhile, Solana is seeing a noticeable dip, declining by over 3. At 137, continuing a downward momentum for the week. Looking at total returns, Bitcoin has shown slight improvement weekly with a positive return, but both monthly and yearly figures stay in the negative. Solana also sees a negative monthly return of almost 26.4%, adding to a year-long decline. Similarly, Dogecoin has a noticeable yearly loss of over 52% as it continues its very bearish trend.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is currently showing weakness against key currencies. It has declined intraday against the euro and has been on a downward path for 4 days. Similarly, against the Australian dollar, it's down consecutively for 7 days, reflecting a strong negative trend. However, despite these declines, it maintains a very strong positive trend against the yen.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI host Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 9:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. New York time for more market reports, and check in daily for in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.